If she can talk, she doesn't have a mouthful, right? You tricked us.
Wait till she wants, till she says it.
Okay. That's good. You like lasagna?
Wait.
Yes.
What's your favorite food? Is that lasagna?
No.
Lasagna?
Yes.
Yeah.
How do you say that? What is it? What is it?
More what? More lasagna?
What do you say?
That's good.
Lila?
Say please.
Yeah.
Good girl. Wait. Say more, please. Say more, please.
More, please.
Oh my God.